Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving another LeetCode problem 1011 capacity to ship packages within D days. I would highly recommend you should read the problem statement before jumping into the solution because in order to get the intuition and know what to do. So first, what problem is asking? You are given weights and days, and you have to decide what should be the maximum capacity of the ship in order to ship those weights from one place to another, but within 5 days. So very simple. Now, one thing for sure, what we are asking is return the least weight capacity of the ship. We are searching something, we are searching for an answer. We are searching. Whenever there is a search, then one and only the binary search. The one and only binary search. But if you see, the first example is sorted, but read it again and again. There will nothing mention like increasing or sorted. So then still why binary search? So let's get another domain of binary search on space. What is space? So let's talk about space. Space is our answer. In this case, the capacity of ship. So this much is clear. Why binary search and how binary search. For example, take this. If we add all this, 1 plus 2, 3, 10, 15, it's 21, 28, 36, 47, 57. 57. If our ship capacity is 57, then we can take all of them in one day. But we need we need the minimum capacity of ship or the weight carrying capacity of ship. So the answer should lie between 10 and 57. Why 10? Why 10? Because you think that 10 is appearing over here, but it may appear over here. So why to waste computation? Why to waste computation? So take 10, or it may be lead to a wastage of one day, because if on the very first day you are given 10 and 1, you cannot skip it, and you have something like this. What would be the capacity? Like 5. You will be wasting that computation. You will again increase low and high. But in order to avoid that, in order to have better computation, you can take in Lee approach, you mostly see low 1 and high direct 10 to the power 5. But more logical would be take low as 10, because it may appear the max can appear at very first day. So effectively, and high 57. Why? Because it is the max answer that you can have. So in binary search on space, we have to make a is possible function. is possible, is possible function. Why? Because things are not very linear in nature that you can just by your very linearly thinking you can just increase low and high. So what our is possible function would contain is it will calculate it will calculate the sum, and if not if it will calculate the sum till it is less than our given weight or given weight, and if it exceeds, it breaks, increase the day, and again add the weight and see. This would be our is possible function. And also if we took less days than given, it is a possible answer, because you can finish work before. It is nowhere written that you have to take 4 days, less than 4 days, not 4 days, the given days. It is also acceptable. Talked about is possible function, is possible function. Then very basic, low is also discussed, high is also discussed. What is you need? The only thing left is when is possible function is true. When is possible function is true, what to do? What to do? You will get the answer, but can we get lower? We have to find out. So what we will do is, and if else, if this is not the case, you are not able to have the proper arrangement, then low has to increase, because step up the game, bro. So that's our binary search. Let me repeat it. Binary search on space, house space, because low can be 10, while low can be 10 already, high can be 57 already, but we have to do something in between. And when doing the binary search on space, is possible function is required. Why required? Because things are not very linear, things are difficult. You cannot just take decision on a whim. So you have to have is possible function according to the given condition. And if it is true, if true, look for much lower answer while storing that answer. And if false, increase the stake, because why not? If still search space is left, increase it. So let's take a test case. It is quite a long one. We can take this one, because why to waste time when you can. Uh, that's okay. Bias in the pen color. This would be good. So we are given something like this. Low could be, the max over here is 3. High is 368. Mid, you already know how to calculate. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 by 2 is what? 5. We are taking int 0.2. Already we started making mistake. It is pointing to 5. No, there is no mistake. I also thought about basic linear search, but it is not. It is possible case. We are searching on what, on search space. So our search space is 3 and 8, and the size is 5. What we will be doing is, let me write over here, add 1, still less than 5, add 2, 3, greater than day plus plus, day plus plus. Already this are together. Now again 3, 4, and days are given 4. 3, 4, it's still less than 5, 5, still, and we get out of array. It took 2 days, and also you have to take day is equals to 1, because if you take day is equals to 0, you will yourself see that we were not able to count. It took 2 days, but here it will get out of loop. So days plus plus and day again is 2. 2 days it took. Can we get better? Can we get better? Let's do it again. Low was 3 and high was 8. Let's decrease the high. This is our answer. High is 4, low is still 3. 7. 7 divided by 2, it's 3. Can we do it with 3? 1, 3, increased 1, 2. There was 1. Now day is 2. Again 3, increased. Day is 3. 1, 1, 1. It took 3 days, but we got lower. Now the answer is 3. Can we do it little less? Let's again check. High is 4, mid was 3. 3 minus 1, 2, and low is 3. Sadly, we get out of loop and we have the 3 as our answer. And here you can also see that 3 is a valid answer. So I hope you get what I told, because it's very basic if you have done binary search on space, and I tried to explain it in least possible amount of time, because it is something you should use your pen and paper rather than a video in order to really grasp this, because I am not doing hand holding. It will take time, and time is valuable, and time is money, I guess. So let's get into the code. Left that low, right the max sum of all the weights, answer -1, basic. Mid calculate is possible function as discussed. Can we get lower? That's it, return the answer. But let's see the is possible function. Day used means how many days we took with the given mid. Current weight is current weight, how much weight is currently on that day we are having on the ship. Just adding it till it is less than equal to mid. When that happens, we will current is equals to weight, because why we are doing this over here is because I will increase and we will just skip that. If you know for loop, it will be skipped, not gonna explain it. It will be skipped, that's why its weight is equals to I. And also day used plus plus. If we used less day than the days given, then it means less than or equal to the days given, it means it is a valid capacity of the ship, or else we can return false. That's the solution for you. Let's run it and see if it is running or not. Yeah, it is running. I hope you enjoyed it, learned something, and in the end, I would say keep grinding and see you in the next one. Bye bye. Keep grinding. You guys are awesome. See you in the next one. Bye. Repeat it.